Hi guys, welcome to the channel. We are unboxing.
This is a Wii to HDMI cord converter to convert your Wii from from what they have to a smart TV, so you can use it on a smart TV. So just got this on Amazon. Okay, so inside it came, I guess, a warranty card. This is, yeah, just like some information, and then this is the main thing that we need. This is what goes inside the Wii. Right now they have like the thing that connects like this. It connects to older TVs, so it doesn't work. But what we'll do is connect this to that, and then you can use an HDMI cord. And then they also have something for speakers if you wanted to connect that, but we're probably not going to do that. And then they also gave an HDMI cord, but we have a longer one that we're probably going to use. So I'll show you how to connect it. So we have everything connected here. I got all this connected, so if I turn it on, it turns on. But obviously this is a smart TV that we have, and they don't have these types of connections, so we can't make that connection. So what you want to do instead, this is the piece that this is now replacing. You want to put this in here. Put that in, and then we already have an HDMI cord. Okay, so got that, and then I'm just gonna plug in. Maybe I'll unplug this and plug it in. Okay, that's snug. That's in. Everything is good here. We have to rearrange the cables a little bit, but so that's on and should load, and you can see it saying detecting device. So it should work. So we just had to put in the batteries for this, but it's working. We haven't used it in a couple of years, which is good. But yeah, so we can use this, play the games that we want. We have the TV muted right now, but I think the audio should still play. Yeah, okay. So all of it is working. I just muted it so I can talk, but the audio is working fine with our TV. We didn't have to connect anything. We've got everything connected. All we needed was that little piece, and you can get that on Amazon if you just search up like HDMI to Wii, or Wii to HDMI, or the Wii to smart TV converter, anything like that. But I think this is really good, so you can still use your old device and play on it, and keep all your games and stuff like that.
So you can bring it and connect it and use it, so nothing gets to waste. So the kids can enjoy. with the smart TV also. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, press the bell icon. Okay, bye.